Clumsy. Zubakowski. Should we go outside? Yes? Yay! I noticed that if I want to put my camera into this little Manfrotto street photography bag, it doesn't fit in because I have the microphone on it. That's bad. There has to be a study out there which analyzes people's behavior when it's 20 degrees or more outside. I have the feeling people acting so weird if it's getting a little bit warm outside.
It's so warm out.
I get it. It's warm. But why do they have to get so weird and aggressive and just going with the train in the city? I have to look at what's called in English, trampan. And yeah, just weird. You probably ask yourself, what do we do today? We'll come to the point faster than in the last video. In the last video I talked like 15 minutes of rubbish before I talked 30 seconds about the actual topic of the video. Today we're gonna do a little bit EDC photography outdoors. I have a little knife with me, just here, and I'm gonna take some photos of it. Excuse my bad camera handling today. So we have this knife, which we will take photos of. And this is looking really nice. Maybe we can, yeah. Where is it? There it is. And now we go for the nice angle. Okay, so this tree stump over here looks quite promising. So maybe we can take a fancy looking photo. And maybe we can even put, oh, nice. Put it here. Maybe if I turn it sideways. So I put it more like here. So you actually have a little bit of foreground. And it's starting to rain. Sorry. And so we have a badass looking shot with the nice blurry green background, some nice moss in the foreground, looking super cool, and we have nothing really distracting. The product is still the main point in the picture. It's still raining, but we will try something else. Let's place it like here. Oh, nice. So, as you saw, it's pretty simple. You have a product, especially an outdoor product like a knife, an EDC product. You go outdoors, you look for a nice background, especially like in this time of the year, like we go to summer, everything is blooming and everything is green, nice colors. We have an overcast day today, so we have this natural softbox look, and yeah, then you look for a nice place for your product, especially like all trees and moss and stuff like that, some natural decoration, and then you put your product there, you shoot it with like a really wide open aperture, and then here you have a nice product, wide aperture, so you get a lot of depth of field and a nice bouquet product in the main focus. And it's the so that the product is the main focus of the picture. Some nice editing. I think I will go with a darker moody type of edit with this, and then it's done. So I found this really cool place. It stopped raining. Looking pretty cinematic now. And now we have to find a place for tonight. So I think this should work out. So I think this was it with this week's video. I hope some useful information in there. We probably gonna head out with some epic B-roll from the woods, and probably the way home, maybe a word from home, from my new place, my living room, after my studio closed. And yeah, one thing, let me know in the comments if you wanna see more days like this, more POV shots of my photo walks and my little projects going on, less with the GoPro, more with the Canon R8, more cinematic B-rolls, yeah, just more of that. So, excuse the bad lighting. I'm at home now. I will show you the new place where I will film at home at another point. But look at that! Damn! The sky is literally fucking orange. So, like if you want to, comment if you want to, and subscribe if you want to. Until the next video, goodbye.